In New Delhi, during an interaction with students at Pariksha Pe Charcha 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi shared a message that went beyond exams and marks. He spoke not like a leader giving instructions, but like a guide reminding students about the bigger picture of life. Addressing students from across the country, Modi said that exams should not be feared, instead, they should be seen like a festivals, moments to learn, grow, and test oneself. He reminded students that marks are important, but they are not everything. He explained that life does not remember toppers forever. What truly matters is how a person lives, learns, and grows over time. According to him, education should never feel like a burden. It should be a journey that helps students to discover who they are and what they can become. Modi urged students to stop obsessing over marks and start focusing on improving their lives. He said, success is not only about numbers on a report card, but about skills, values, confidence, and balance. Education, he stressed, needs full involvement, not pressure, fear, or stress. The Prime Minister also encouraged students to trust their own study methods. He advised them to listen to suggestions but not blindly follow others. Every student is different, and each one must find a way that works best for them. He spoke about life skill, saying they are just as important as professional skills. According to him, true growth comes when students remain balanced between studies and rest, ambition and peace, effort and patience. One strong message stood out: comfort zone do not create champions. Growth happens when students are willing to change, improve, and challenge themselves, not just for exams but for life. The event itself reflected the scale of this message, with more than 4.5 crore participants joining the discussion. In the end, Modi's message was clear and simple. Don't study only to score marks. Study to build a meaningful life. Because exams may test knowledge, but life tests character, courage, and consistency.